Alright, you guys have probably always seen a big turbo N54 getting gapped by a stock turbo, whatever, B50A, N55, whatever it is. Well, there's most likely one reason that that's happening, okay? And that's what we're getting to today. So currently in all this jumbo mumbo, basically, I'm taking out the charge pipe and the manifold. Now, N54 people, you guys probably know why we're taking out the manifold. There's really only one real reason you're taking off a manifold, and yes, yep, you guys, port injection. Got the manifold off, we're ready to go. Clarence out here doing some hood rat shit in some hood rat places with my hood rat friends. Now, before I go any farther, shout out to PFS Performance Fueling Solution, the Snake Eater, for supplying us with this kit and this injector. So I think we are gonna have to upgrade soon, but we're gonna see how much power these will make with just 600. I don't think we really need, I don't know, we'll see, we'll just see. But yeah, these are the little mini Pico, they call it, 600cc SEP, you can see right there. Shout out to Snake Eater. Yeah, this is from an LS motor. Yep, LS3 type injector. Clarence got this off, you just need some Allen keys, and this is how you put the injectors in. I think it's like, I was gonna do a voiceover, but I think I'm just gonna be like, so yeah, we're gonna put this in somehow. Can you even see in there? Look at that, bro. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You can't even see it. It's so dark. It's like darkness of dark. Alright, look, we haven't done shit, but honestly, this is the hardest part. You guys can barely see it, but getting this hose adapter onto where the OEM used to be, right here. It's pretty simple. It's a push lock, this blue thing right here. But if you guys want to see a how-to video, check out Clarence's channel. Now, if I told you guys this was the beginning of the video, would you believe me? Yes, because it looks like damn near the same thing. I wouldn't. You wouldn't? Well, we're not talking about that stuff. But right here, we're talking about right here, looks exactly the same as what it did, except for that. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Yeah, you can, just a little bit. And then this thing is raised up just a little bit higher. That if you think you were in person, you probably see it. But yeah, we finished up on this side. We gotta do one more ground over there. We gotta go get a connector for it. And we gotta test out the Mac solenoid here. I think we got a bad Mac solenoid. It's not good. It's not. That's RIP for us. It's okay. I'm not tuning for a little bit. So. But we've been going out to these what do you call it? Like they're kind of midnight meets on Saturday. See, that's a problem right there. We gotta go get some gas. Because of the port, we're on full E now. So we're just gonna go out and hang out and see what happens. Usually they do some runs. So let's see if we can get some footage for you guys. Almost. I brought my GoPro, but I left my SIM card at home. Bro, being able to fill up with full E is so nice. Like I don't have to go through the other pump anymore to mix it. Damn, bro, is this a fast guy or what?
Yeah, I just got here. I'm parking. It's fast, dude.
You said you're gay? Let me see.
Stop it, dude. Huh? Okay, yeah. Sorry,
let me see that penis, bro.
Hey, you see my DIY turbo wastegate?
Bro, I'm kind of pissed off. I don't have my camera with me. Huh?
We can make it for your car.
What?
The
Sheesh!
This is a missile.
God damn, bro.
Right there, bro.
God damn, what is that, like an 84?
And you're shoving your head.
Supercharged motor?
What's bigger, your head or your turbo?
The one day I don't have my camera out, you guys, everybody came. Look at Nigel. Look
Hi.
you guys haven't seen. Oh my god. I can't do anything. He's coming from up the top. Look at AJ over here, bro. Look at his cross. God damn, look, they haven't seen you guys in forever.
I know.
I don't even videotape anything. Bro.
I know, we haven't seen.
Like, these guys are so brown now because they went to the Philippines. It's crazy.
I went from Angelo to D'Angelo. What's up, cuz?
this is Angelo right here. D'Angelo and Angelo, bro.
Dude, no, literally, I got so dark.
This is Anton. Anton James, bro.
I have a question.
Yeah, yellow carbon nice.